이곳은 캘리포니아의 항구 도시 롱비치. 순경 델가도가 수상한 차량을 쫓고 있습니다.
Show me out of traffic at Anaheim in Oregon on the last plate.
한적한 곳에 차량을 멈춰 세운 델가도는
What up, Officer Delgado?
You back on good paper already?
차 안에는 전과자와 함께 정신을 잃은 듯한 여성이 보였는데
Wake her up and step out of the vehicle. 4 Charlie 92 requesting back.
Charlie 92, your status? Charlie 92, your status?
사건 며칠 뒤 롱비치 경찰서의 수습경찰 디아스가 발령을 받습니다. 디아스의 수습 기간 동안 교육을 맡은 건 노련한 선배 하먼.
Squad's ready.
Everyone, bring it in. Gangs just ID'd Delgado's shooter, Eddie Watson. He and the piece of shit driver Juan Cortez are still believed to be in the city, but likely trying to flee. Watson is a member of the East Barrio, street name Maniac. Detectives are still trying to ID the female passenger. We think she's a minor being trafficked. We have a multi-agency task force looking for these motherfuckers. That's their job. Your job is business as usual. Watch each other's backs. Let's get to work. Harmon, hold up. You want me to give the rookie to Roland? I got him. Okay then.
Officer Harmon.
Oh, Diaz.
하먼은 웬 보드게임 감옥 탈출 카드를 선물하는데
And they've all used it.
So far, every single one.
그렇게 디아스는 하먼과 함께 첫 순찰에 나서게 됩니다.
Rocket fuel.
롱비치가 고향인 디아스는 이곳에 자원해 왔다는데
You the only badge in your family?
Yeah. My mom, she hates cops.
그때 가정폭력 현장으로 출동하라는 지령이 내려오고 하먼과 디아스는 곧바로 현장으로 출동하는데
Hey, don't forget.
바디캠을 켜고 집 안으로 진입하자 먼저 온 경관들이 나이 많은 여성과 젊은 남성을 떼어놓고 있었는데
Neighbors saw him beating on her after she refused to give him money. That's bullshit.
Ma'am, is that your son?
아들이 수갑을 차는 동안 하먼은 어머니를 진정시킵니다.
The good news is your son is gonna cool off in lockup tonight, all right?
No. Hey, don't come in here judging me like you're better than me, okay? We're more than good, so you can leave.
아들을 체포한다니 돌변한 어머니의 태도에 하먼은 아들을 찾아가고
What kind of man hits his own mother?
그러자 남자는 오히려 하먼을 모욕했고
Next time we show up here, you're gonna be leaving in the back of an ambulance instead of a cruiser.
하필 하먼이 협박하는 장면이 바디캠에 고스란히 담겼죠.
Yelled at
Didn't they
me.
teach you anything at the academy? Camera goes off after
I
enforcement.
know. I'm sorry. I forgot.
잠시 후 화장실에 들어가 나오지 않는 엄마를 확인하러 가는데
Ma'am! Take the door.
Oh fuck.
Dispatch, where's that EMS? EMS is en route.
문제는 아들이 아니라 약증이 엄마에게 있었던 거죠. 그리고 얼마 뒤 다시 순찰을 이어가는 두 사람.
Do me a favor, run that Ford. Running plates takes luck and skill. You need skill to know what you're looking for, but luck determines what you're gonna get.
What are we looking for?
East Barrio affiliations.
Well, no East Barrio or any of the clique affiliations, but the owner does have an active warrant out for driving on an expired license.
Light him up.
Let's do it.
이들은 한적한 곳에 차를 세우라 지시합니다.
License and registration, please.
Do you have anything in the vehicle I should know about?
I have a pipe in here. Meth?
Is there meth in the car?
No.
수상한 정황에 두 사람은 운전자를 조사하기 시작했고 차량 소유주와 운전자가 다르단 걸 알아채는데
My brother's borrowing it.
Your brother's license is expired. Watch him, Diaz.
Yeah, I got him. Well, you got anyone that can help you?
My dad trying to get me into a program.
Put him in back for now.
하먼과 디아스는 남성의 차량을 뒤지기 시작합니다.
You straight with us.
Cut him loose.
남자를 돕고 싶었던 디아스는
See your pipe in the hood? You know we can take you to jail for that, right? You want to go to jail?
No,
Call your dad.
I can't do that.
Listen, man. It's your only option here.
지시대로 남성의 아버지에게 전화를 겁니다.
Dad, it's me.
Go ahead. Tell him. Tell him you want help.
I want help. He wants me to come back home.
See light at the end of the tunnel.
Get your stuff, please. You can take the pipe or destroy it. Your choice.
그렇게 남성은 아버지에게 돌아가게 되고
You can hardly hear what you say to the guy.
디아스는 낮에 바디캠에 찍힌 하먼의 협박이 마음에 걸립니다.
Take a look.
I don't need to report it. I made a threat. That is misconduct, and I'm better than that.
You want me to rat you out?
It's got nothing to do with that. I've got some people gunning for me. I don't want that coming off on you.
Well, I'm no snitch.
그때 델가도 사건 당시 차량이 발견됐다는 무전이 들려오고 하먼은 예상 경로로 가로질러 잠복을 시작하죠.
You want me to radio another unit?
I want to play this out first.
그러던 그때
Shit, that's it.
I have eyes on the license plate. It is Tom John 737.
The Mustang is moving at a high rate of speed.
추격을 알아챈 듯 용의 차량은 미친 듯 밟아대기 시작했고
Come on.
도로를 역주행하며 탈출을 시도합니다. 갑자기 중심을 잃는 용의 차량.
Get out of the car.
용의자 하나가 달아나기 시작하고 디아스가 그 뒤를 쫓아갑니다.
Stop! Stand down! Stop! Charlie 85, my partner's in foot pursuit. I still have one in the car.
Diaz, what's your 20?
디아스는 응답도 없이 추격을 이어가고
Vacant home at the corner of Conley and Valley Drive. Suspects inside.
하먼에게 위치를 알려준 디아스가 빈집으로 진입합니다.
Hands! Let me see your hands!
What did I do?
Clear the house.
No, he's not here.
Charlie 85, suspect fled on foot and is still outstanding.
Why the fuck wasn't he listening to his radio?
디아스의 독단 행동으로 상관 비숍에게 깨진 하먼.
Driver didn't make it. K9 and air support can't find Maniac, and Cortez is still out there, so we've got shit. And when I clock out, I got to explain to the watch commander why I disobeyed orders and I almost got my trainee killed. Didn't you hear me say stand
Yes,
down?
I did. What was I supposed to do, huh? Just let him get away?
You are not hearing me. What did Lastman tell you earlier?
Sergeant Lastman?
Yes, you two were chopping it up in the motor pool. What did he say?
Is he the one gunning for you?
Answer my fucking question, huh?
He said Delgado was one of your trainees, and that you take her murder the hardest. I'm sorry. I didn't want to say anything. Okay, I'm trying to be respectful here.
Yes. Yeah, she was one of my trainees.
You want me to give the rookie to Roland?
I got him.
Okay then.
하먼은 이번 델가도 사건에 누구보다도 진심이었습니다.
She was lucky to have you.
All units be advised, 211 in progress at 2415 Pacific Avenue.
이제 지난 일은 묻어두고 두 사람은 다시 순찰에 나서는데 그렇게 도착한 곳은 불법 도로 점거 현장. 공도에서 폭죽 터치고 드리프트하고 난리가 났습니다. 경찰 무서운지도 모르는 놈들이었죠.
85, we've got a big crowd down here. Unruly, shooting fireworks, multiple vehicles drifting. Please advise.
Charlie 85, pull back and observe.
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah,
You're not gonna do anything?
sir, we're monitoring the situation.
That doesn't seem right.
Well, that's the new policy.
그때 근처에서 들려오는 흉기 난동 신고.
Help, officer down. I need assistance.
난동꾼 하나가 경찰까지 폭행한 상황이라는데 디아스를 때려눕힌 범인이 빠르게 달아나고
No.
He assaulted your rookie and cracked the victim's head with this thing.
And priority is getting the medical attention.
Go get him now.
No, it is
Go.
too dangerous, all right?
I need an update, Charlie 97.
Code 4 on Charlie 97. Suspect is outstanding.
Crowd estimate.
Not that big.
Over 200 unruly advised.
Pull back. Give him a 2-block perimeter. Advise every 20 minutes.
몰려드는 군중에 경찰은 피해자를 챙겨 자리를 피하고
Hey, no, he needs to be checked out
No, I
too.
said I'm fine. Fine.
디아스는 새 방침 때문에 아무것도 못하는 이 상황이 답답하기만 하죠.
Diaz, go.
다음 날
Let me see it. Come on. It's not that bad.
Yeah. Fucking video of it's going viral. Should have fucking gotten the guy, man.
I will tell you, he would be back out on the street before we are even finished processing the paperwork.
What about him assaulting Roland? You just gonna let that shit slide?
You know what?
하먼은 델가도가 살해된 장소에 디아스를 데려갑니다.
Delgado bled out right there, trying to keep them safe. And they don't have a clue.
It's fucked up.
Yeah, that's reality. So you wanted to play the hero last night? For what? Chasing that kid was not going to save anyone. That was just to appease your pride. And I think about all the things that I could have done to teach her better, and I don't want to have to do that for you.
또다시 허망하게 후배를 잃고 싶지 않은 하먼. 얼마 뒤 두 사람은 변사체가 발견됐다는 노숙자 캠프로 출동하고 잘린 머리가 발견되는데 그 사이 동기 홀트와 주변을 살피던 디아스는 시비가 붙은 노숙자들을 목격하고
Starting to steal my bag.
Why do they want it?
Show it to him.
Let him see.
Hold up. What's the deal?
There's something in his bag, man.
If you just let me take a quick look, I'm going to give you a prize.
A day with you?
It's pretty close. How about if I make you my deputy for the day?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
피해자의 잘린 손이 들어 있습니다.
And this is a very important discovery, so I'm going to need to hold on to it.
Okay.
What's that ink look like to you?
Looks like somebody clicked up with his barrio.
델가도 사건과의 연관성을 직감한 하먼은 자신이 이 사건을 맡겠다며 비숍에게 어필합니다.
All right, I'm more plugged into East Barrio than they are.
You and your rookie went off like an unguided missile and let the shooter get away, remember? But let the task force do their job.
You could have put me on the task
I
force.
need you on patrol.
그렇게 다시 순찰업무로 복귀하니 마약 전담반 코요마가 현장에 나와 있습니다.
For Code 4. By the tats, I say they're runners for LB Flores.
Can I talk to them?
About?
Delgado's murder.
I'll deny it if anyone asks.
Thank you.
하먼은 이들에게 델가도 사건의 살인범에 대해 묻지만
Hey, wanna take a swing?
이 지역 토박이인 디아스가 멕시코어로 이들을 회유하기 시작합니다.
Tú y yo sabemos que somos de la misma raza. Mi colega policía que ellos mataron también lo era.
No lo hemos visto, solo desaparecieron.
She says she hasn't seen anyone from East Barrio. The whole gang's gone silent.
You're from the neighborhood, right? You gotta have an opinion on what that girl said back there.
East Barrio and Elby Flores used to be one big fucked up family. She wasn't lying though. She's scared. What kind of trainee was she?
Delgado? She had a lot of heart. She came early, she stayed late. She did it all while her kid was in diapers. She wasn't even supposed to be on. She volunteered because they were short.
They can't hide forever.
Shots fired at 216 East 16th Street.
이번 사건은 술에 취한 10대들이 다투던 중 총기 살인까지 벌어진 처참한 현장이었죠. 피해자의 어머니가 울부짖고
Come with me. Fuck you, fighter.
Watch your mouth, bitch.
Stupid ass blooded. Back up.
Shut your fucking mouth. Hey, back up. Back up. Back. Oh, you think you're tough?
Sir, I'm the
What happened to your eye, puta?
Walk away, Guppy.
Make a move.
어제와 달리 오늘은 화를 참는 디아스.
You showed restraint tonight. When you put on this uniform, you leave the homeboy from San Pedro behind, right? You are not your brother.
My brother.
Yeah, the one doing a dime in Corcoran for armed robbery.
And that's supposed to be confidential.
Look, coming up, knocking people around was the norm. That shit was never me. I've never even fired my weapon in 12 years. So believe me, you can walk the line and still stay true to who you are.
I plan on it.
Act like it.
잠시 뒤 지휘관 비숍이 하먼을 불러냅니다.
Were you able to ID the hand?
Juan Cortez, the driver.
What about Maniac?
Now still in the wind. Good night.
So I guess you do have some fight in you, huh?
Look, I didn't mean to lose my cool. I'm
You handled it well. I was actually proud of you.
not sure my tee-off feels the same way.
I'm sure she was just looking out for you.
라스먼은 디아스에게 무언가를 보여줍니다. 어제 바디캠에 찍힌 하먼의 협박 장면이었죠.
Diaz, look at me. Did she make a threat?
다음날 평화로운 오후 디아스는 흉기를 든 편의점 강도를 추격 중입니다.
Diaz, what's your 20?
4 eyes on suspect at Diaz. I'm in hot pursuit.
Fuck!
시민을 구하던 디아스의 권총이 떨어져 버리고 달아나던 강도는 결국 다행인 건지 강도는 다리만 똑 부러졌고 잠시 뒤에 하먼이 도착합니다.
Drop this fucking compa, dude. I owe you.
Leave that part out of your report.
Even though we recovered it?
Have you not heard what they say about Harmon? Can't trust her.
For what?
She got a bunch of cops fired, including Lastman's partner.
Diaz, with me.
찝찝한 이야기를 들은 디아스는 단도직입적으로 질문합니다.
You said you had some trouble in West, right? People gunning for you. Why?
Old drama. It's nothing you need to worry about.
You get someone fired?
Did I get someone fired?
Forget it. I shouldn't have
No,
asked.
where the fuck did you hear that?
그때 하필 출동 명령이 떨어집니다.
It's not some shit you just wonder.
웬 괴한이 집에 침입했다는 신고였죠. 경계를 세운 두 사람이 집 안으로 진입합니다.
Whoa, let me see your hands!
No, they're gone. They're gone. We're in here.
남편이 혼자 있는 사이 한 남자가 침입했다고 하는데
Did you see what he looked like?
Mexican, I think.
잠시 뒤 집 주변을 살피던 디아스는 딱 봐도 수상한 남성을 발견하고
Hey, Long Beach Police Department, come out!
What the fuck are you waiting for?
Yeah, don't you need a warrant?
Long Beach Police Department.
Oh, shoot.
Whoa, police.
붙잡힌 남성은 남편과 전혀 다른 얘기를 합니다.
El marido me invitó. Whoa. Sí, me deben dinero.
Dude,
그렇게 이어지는 3차 대면.
That's him. That's the guy who was in our house.
You need to pay me.
Hey, cállate la boca.
do you want to tell us what really happened?
He's been DMing me all week.
You like BDSM sites? You offer to pay him to tie you up and have sex with him.
This guy's a liar.
Dame tu celular.
디아스는 남자의 폰으로 남편에게 전화를 걸고 그렇게 사건이 마무리됩니다.
Get your shit together. This ain't it.
Yes, sir.
Hey, nothing on the husband?
It's not our case to make. We gotta hand this over to Vice. He's not going to jail.
Pinche güeros.
Hey, so you want to tell me what the fuck happened back there?
What, with the kid?
Yeah, outside the house. Why did you freeze up? You had exigent circumstance to enter. Did it have anything to do with what you asked me earlier? About me getting cops fired?
I'm just trying to follow the law.
그때 하몬에게 코요마의 전화가 걸려옵니다.
You gotta know the law to follow it.
One of my guys is getting pulled on to hide him next month. Want to put you up for a spot.
For real? There's no shot command staff is gonna let me off patrol.
You're destined for greater things, trust me.
Anyone get the drop on Delgado's shooter yet?
Detective thinks he's across the border.
Mexico?
Makes sense.
Fuck. I gotta see a guy.
디아스를 웬 술집으로 데려간 하머는
No, stay here.
홀로 술집 안으로 들어가는데
Smokey here?
Cops are here.
What the fuck? I'd rather you not drop by at all. What do you want?
A kid named Maniac.
You must say that.
스모키의 지시와 함께 모든 갱단원들이 자리를 비우고
It was handled.
Is that what Cortez was? And why didn't Maniac get his ticket punched?
Kid's dead. It's a big shot caller in Quentin.
Is he worth bringing the whole house down?
That's all I got for you. Don't you ever just show up here like that again.
Is Maniac in Mexico?
Stop looking, or someone will be looking for you.
Gotta go. Like, yeah. What?
The guy who owns this place is a heavyweight with East Barrio.
Okay, what do you say?
Said stop looking for Maniac. Think about it. If he was really in Mexico?
Be nothing to look for.
그날 밤 방화 사건 현장에 출동한 하먼과 디아스.
Which way should go?
Over there, screaming like a banshee.
All right, go check it out.
디아스와 동기 홀트는 방화범을 찾아 노숙자 캠프로 향하고
Hey, Harmon, can you hang back for a sec? The apartment's being sued for that street takeover the other night.
Sued by who?
Some shop owner. When we pulled out, the mob destroyed the store.
That was the watch commander's call.
No. That was your call, based on how you framed the situation.
I got us out of a dangerous spot.
Because of that, we left people to fend for themselves. Maybe you're cool with that. I'm not.
The fuck was that?
두 사람이 소리가 난 곳을 수색하던 그때 디아스는 홀트를 습격한 괴한을 제압하지만
You good? Oh shit.
괴한이 홀트에게 정체불명의 약물을 투여했습니다. 디아스는 당장 홀트에게 기량제를 투여하고 동료를 잃을 수도 있는 상황에 디아스는 패닉에 빠지죠.
You're good.
며칠 뒤 델가도의 장례식이 열립니다.
You okay?
Let's just get some food first.
Huh?
Why don't you tell your girlfriend to give you a break?
It's Holt.
How's he doing?
Looks like he's going on IOD.
You know Holt wasn't your fault, right?
Hey, I've been meaning to ask you. What happened to your sister? You said she was a cop. She quit.
No, she was injured in the line of duty.
Oh, but she's okay now, right?
Depends on the day.
늘 그렇듯 출동 명령이 떨어지고 두 사람은 먹던 포크를 내려놓고 현장으로 달려갑니다.
Hurry! Piece of shit's gonna kill her.
All right, but wait over there.
출동 현장인 모텔에서는 폭행당한 여자와 화상 입은 남자가 있었는데
Motherfucker stole my cocaine.
Nah, I paid you.
You paid for 2 lines, you stole it 4.
Come here, cuff him. Everybody's going to jail today.
There's something you might be interested in.
Yeah.
There were some fools from East Barrio earlier partying with some girls. They were talking like Scarface or some shit.
여자를 차에 태운 하머는 누군가에게 전화를 걸고 돌아오는데
Liana, you know any of those girls who were partying with the guys from East Barrio? If you're smart, you're going to be out of here today on a simple possession charge. Be stupid, I'm going to pile on assault and sales.
My girl, Baby Blue, was with them.
She here?
She be at Angel Food Donuts off of Santa Fe.
하머는 곧장 여자가 말한 친구에게로 향합니다.
There, blue shirt, blue short.
Afternoon. Is he there?
You think I want East Barrio on my ass?
Anybody ever tries to scare you, or if you get jammed up on the streets, you make me your first call.
Dude was there. They asked if I wanted to party tonight, and I said no thanks.
At Monterey.
Oceanside Motel. Place past Tams off the highway.
그날 밤 하머는 그 모텔 앞에서 잠복을 시작합니다.
Alberto Vieira, aka El Monstro. Gang affiliation East Barrio. Holy shit, he's a heavy hitter.
모텔에 갱단의 거물들이 모여들기 시작합니다.
Should we call in?
No, we're gonna go code 5. You know what? Just hang back.
Oh, why?
You are either 100% with me or not, because I can't have you uncertain here.
I'm 100% with you.
그렇게 두 사람은 용의자 미치광이를 찾아 모텔로 향하고
Sir, I have your attention, please. You seen this man? Room 112.
녀석이 있는 걸 확인한 하머는 곧장 지원을 요청하죠.
Confirmed Delgado's 187 suspect is on location, requesting all units, no lights, no sirens on Henderson south of PCH.
자칫 총격전으로 번질 수도 있는 위태로운 상황. 긴장 속에서 대기하는 사이 지원 병력이 현장에 도착합니다.
All right, let me talk to you.
He's here.
It's your handle. You take lead.
만반의 준비를 갖춘 경찰팀이 모텔로 진입합니다. 이제 주인이 말한 112호함.
Are we ready?
하지만 방 안은 시끄러운 음악 소리만 흘러나올 뿐.
Show your fucking hands!
Go, go, go!
Don't fucking move!
조직원들이 총에 맞자 미치광이는 도망치기 시작하고 하먼이 그 뒤를 쫓기 시작합니다. 미치광이가 들어간 폐건물로 진입하는 하먼.
Charlie 85 inside of the abandoned Walmart. Suspect is here, requesting all additional units into.
몸싸움 중 하먼의 바디캠이 떨어지고 마침내 마주하게 된 델가도의 살인범. 놈을 당장 쏴 죽여도 증거는 남지 않을 겁니다.
Yeah, I'm here!
하지만 결국 하먼은 분노를 이겨내고 녀석을 쏘지 않았죠.
You said you wanted to run something past me. I didn't think you were fucking serious. How'd your rookie handle it?
Like I expected him to.
And you? From everything I've seen, it's a clean shooting on your end. I can't tell you how to process this, especially since this is your first. You should sleep easy knowing that piece of shit made his choice.
귀소 후 퇴근하던 하먼에게 비숍이 찾아오는데
But I gotta ask, how'd you know he was at that motel? We got a task force dedicated to working Delgado's murder, and a patrol cop got lucky.
What do you want me to say?
If you went off book, you might want to tell me.
Is this you and me talking?
Always.
동료들은 오늘의 승리를 축하하기 위해 술집으로 향하지만 정작 하먼은 홀로 집에 가려 하는데
Hell of a shift, yeah?
Yeah, they don't really prepare you for that at the academy, huh?
Yeah, but you did.
You did great.
Hey, come on. Let me buy you a beer.
I'll catch up.
All right.
Good night.
바로 다음날 평화롭게 순찰 중인 두 사람. 그런데 디아즈가 여친과 헤어진 듯합니다.
But you?
I am still basking in my divorce.
Who was he?
Cop, LAPD, works 77th.
What happened?
Just got tired of each other's bullshit.
Fair enough. Are you good?
With?
I went down. The shooting.
I was, until you completely fucked with my vibe.
All
So
right.
maybe you could go
Jesus.
backwards, do a little rewind.
갑자기 걸려온 전화에 표정이 어두워지는 디아스.
Mind if I make a stop? I gotta see someone.
Alright.
두 사람은 디아스의 어머니를 만나러 가는데
I need to talk to my son.
What the fuck? Oh, to show some respect.
When have they respected us?
That's okay. I'll go wait by the car.
하먼이 빠지자 어머니는 심각한 표정으로 이야기를 꺼냅니다.
Said Gabriel has a hit on his head.
What do you mean a hit?
They want to kill him. Said that you pissed off his body. Do not let anything happen to him.
Hey, is everything okay?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that.
디아스가 돌아오자마자 출동 명령이 떨어집니다. 시끄럽게 소리를 지르며 미친 듯이 문을 두드리고 있는 한 여자.
I'm trying to get my daughter back from my ex-husband. She's 10 years old. We're supposed to have joint custody, but he's 2 days past.
하먼이 집 문을 두드리자 한 여자가 나옵니다.
She's his latest girlfriend.
Is your daughter inside?
Abby's lying down. She's not feeling well.
You mind if I see her? So why don't you open up this door or I'm going to charge you with obstruction.
여성이 썩은 표정으로 문을 열어주고 하먼은 아이의 방이란 곳으로 향합니다.
That's weird.
아이는 그곳에 없었죠.
Abby!
수많은 전선들이 밖으로 연결되어 있습니다.
Outside. Now.
무언가 직감한 하먼은 지원을 요청하고 디아스와 함께 전선을 따라가는데
Long Beach Police! Get your hands where I can see them.
혼란스러운 광경에 하먼은 일단 두 남성을 밖으로 끌어냅니다.
You okay?
Daddy was saving me.
You call yourself a father? What the fuck was that?
She's possessed.
Possessed?
I've done hundreds of exorcisms. It's perfectly safe.
Jesus.
She's overcome with lust demons. She got it from her phone. All this shit warps her mind and makes her act out.
She's 10 and her home life's a mess. She needs to be exorcised from you. Take them to booking for child abuse. Don't forget the Stepford wife. She goes too.
아이를 확인하려던 하먼에게 구급대원이 다가옵니다.
I found your sister.
Where?
Wanapero Beach.
그리고 다시 이어지는 순찰.
You've been checking your phone non-stop since we saw your mom. Do you want to tell me what's up?
It's my brother, man.
Your brother what?
My mom saying he had a green light on him inside.
Over some gang beef?
Grab a maniac.
Look, I have a friend in the DA's office. He could get your brother into protective custody.
I mean, people who go into PC are they're like defectors. Hey, that guy we went to see the other day, at El Toro, who was he?
Why?
Well, maybe he can help us. Yeah, I
No,
I
man,
can
that
talk to
bridge is
him and he can
burned.
just straighten the whole thing out. He's got to have some juice with these body.
Run that BMW. They've been driving erratically.
앞차가 이상하다는 걸 느낀 하머는 길가에 차를 정차시킵니다.
Window!
노인은 환자복을 입고 무언가를 먹으며 운전하고 있었죠.
What hospital?
I don't remember.
Why don't you turn off the vehicle and step out?
바지도 없이 정신도 못 차리는 노인.
20 milligrams of diazepam.
Benzos.
Am I under arrest?
No, but we do need to get you back to the hospital.
그때 디아스의 형에게서 전화가 걸려오고
You okay?
Say, yeah, I'm good.
That's not what mom says, man.
Fucking Eddie, man. I told him not to say shit.
Tell his body he'll put a hit on you.
Yeah, but don't trip, alright? It is what it is.
I'm gonna fix it, okay?
No, don't do nothing stupid. Okay, you got something good going.
Mom was right,
Nah,
man.
hey, what'd I say when you asked me if I was down for you to go to the academy, huh? What'd I say?
You said do it.
And you know why I said that? Because you braver than me. I'm proud of you, carnalito. Shit, so I gotta...
Hey, Gabby, wait.
잠시 뒤 노인은 다시 병원으로 실려갑니다.
Is he okay?
I need to talk to your guy at Thought, okay?
We're not going back to Smokey, so you need to find another angle.
That's some fucking nerve, man. I see
What?
it now. I said I see why people talk shit about you.
Yeah, why?
Does it have your back?
You got some fucking balls.
You got my brother in this situation.
Me? No. You don't remember? I gave you an out before we hit that motel. You know what? Just hang back.
Oh, why?
Smokey is a stone cold killer, all right? We go back to him, your mother could be down 2 sons. What?
저 멀리 주유소에서 남녀가 싸우는 모습이 보입니다. 잠시 휴전한 두 사람은 그들에게 다가가죠.
Hey, what's the issue?
He's fucking bipolar. He keeps threatening to kill himself if I leave his
I
house.
never said that.
Whoa. Let's just give her some
Hey! Fuck you! Just shoot me, okay? I'm gonna lower my weapon. We're gonna lower our weapons. That's it. Come on. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Okay.
하지만 남성은 돌연 자신의 몸에 기름을 부리기 시작하고
Look at me. I'm having a pretty fucked up day too, man. Okay, seems like every choice I've made, every single one has been the wrong choice. I pissed off my mom, put a target on my brother. I mean, you got a wife, who cares? You got a son, okay, a son who looks up to you. That's your baby boy. Family needs you, man. Just end this peacefully, man. That's it, dude. That's it, brother.
You two deserve better.
Okay, come on.
Hey, are you gonna be all right?
Nah, man. I keep thinking, what if we didn't walk over and just let him be?
Well, then it would probably have ended in a murder-suicide.
Right. And maybe they go on their way, and that kid's poor father is on a fucking ventilator, man.
He is alive. We think we know what this job is when we first come on, but it's not really ever clear to us until we get that one call. And for me, that call was an infant who stopped breathing. And no matter what I did, I could not resuscitate her.
Died.
Yeah. As hard as these calls are, they pull at us like gravity and they bring everything else into focus. Those rumors that you heard about.
She had a bunch of cops fired, including Lastman's partner.
A little bit over a year ago, Lastman's partner went too hard on a suspect. I pulled him off and he shoved me. It wasn't a big deal, but he was fired for it. And the people who tried to cover it up were let go too. Lastman lost his promotion to lieutenant and went to bishop instead. And he and a couple of other people blame me. But the truth is, I never even filed a complaint. IA sealed the investigation, so people are gonna think what they're gonna think. But if you ever question my integrity again, we're gonna have a fucking problem.
다음날 남자 둘이 쌈박질을 한다는 현장으로 출동한 두 사람.
This little shit's been racing up and down the street all day making goddamn TikTok videos. Before he was gonna kill someone and now he hit her.
Her?
I didn't fucking see her.
목숨이 위태로운 피해자는 사람이 아닌 개였습니다. 떠돌이 개로 주인조차 없는 상황. 하지만 동물보호소가 오려면 한참이나 기다려야 한다는데.
Armin, we're gonna have to handle this ourselves.
Fine, let's just get her in my cruiser. I'll find an animal hospital.
She's not gonna make it right.
So then what do you want to do? Fuck it. Report me. I'm putting her in my car.
하지만
Tracy, you're just hurting her more.
I can't.
You don't have to. You guys, clear these people out. Go.
Sir, you step back.
I got you.
Assuming we got nothing to arrest shithead for.
No. Nothing that'll stick.
쉴 틈도 없이 소음 공해 신고가 들어옵니다.
Probably just some rich asshole throwing a party. We don't have enough units out here already. Hard pass.
I want to apologize. What I said last shift. I said I see why people talk shit about you.
Forget it.
No. I was way out of line.
Man, that bullshit's been haunting me since it happened. And you were gonna hear about it one way or another, so. What's going on with your brother?
He was jumped
in the yard yesterday. You know, Seals, they broke it up, but...
I've seen enough death today.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where the hell are we going?
We go see Smokey.
I thought you said that bridge was burned.
Maybe we can find a miracle in the ashes.
We got some titanium balls showing up here, lady.
하먼은 막무가내 내부로 진입합니다.
What's with all the muscle?
Take a guess.
미치광이가 잡혀버리자 그를 지키지 못한 스모키가 되려 조직의 표적이 된 거죠.
What do we gotta do to call it off?
211 outlaws. They're being a pain in my ass over on the south side. Maybe some cases fall on them.
Come on, Smokey, that shit ain't happening.
I guess your brother's shit out of luck.
Fucking guy, you took my fucking brother!
Cálmate, calma.
I am the one that you want.
It's more fun making you watch.
스모키는 굳이 디아스를 도와줄 생각이 없었죠.
They won't miss twice.
Let's just wait and see now.
그때 약물 과다 복용 신고가 들어오고
That's where the noise complaint came from.
응급 키트까지 챙겨 곧바로 현장으로 달려가는데
What they take? Coke. It must have been laced.
구급차를 부르고 환자들에게 기량제를 투입합니다.
Oh my god, that's my sister!
디아스는 당장 여성에게 흉부 압박을 실시했고 곧이어 구급대원들이 도착하는데
Claire.
Please, God, please let her be okay.
Claire. Okay. Come on.
I got one more try left.
Claire. Got a pulse. Hey, get the stretcher in here. We gotta get her to the ER right now.
Hey, she's your sister?
Yeah.
You're supposed to be looking out for her. She could be dead.
I need her to be okay.
Just go be with her.
And make sure you call your parents from the hospital.
약 때문에 동생이 큰일 날 뻔한 상황. 하먼은 문득 누군가에 대한 걱정으로 가득합니다.
Hey, we gotta roll.
Yeah. Where are we going?
Welfare check.
하먼은 디아스를 끌고 해변가의 노숙자 캠프로 향합니다.
Told you my sister was a cop.
You have a sister?
LA, she used to be a cop. She was injured in the line of duty, right?
No, she was injured in the line of duty.
Yeah, well, an injury wasn't what ended her career, per se. She was prescribed Oxy. Then when that wasn't enough, it was heroin and whatever else she could get her hands on. 6 months she went from patrolling the streets to living on them.
I want you to trust when it starts. What? It's just my little sister.
It's time for you to come home, Jen.
I'm fine. Fucking go, all right? I said no!
Then I am going to arrest you!
Oh, you were serious!
If you going to jail means getting clean, then so be it.
What are you doing?
Search her.
Are you sure?
Do it.
Farewell, please.
Be careful with that.
Hey, just this. There is a better solution to this. There's a lot about today that we can't change. But this is a choice.
So you know what's best.
I know somewhere she won't be able to get away. All right, it's safe and not far. Just trust me.
디아스는 하먼의 언니를 한 쉼터로 데려갑니다.
Safe house. Me and my brother, we used to take my mom here after her boyfriend knocked her around. They help women get clean too. Yep. Nobody goes in or out until they're supposed to.
결국 언니의 수갑을 풀어줍니다.
Come on inside. You'll be okay.
I know what this means to you, so I'm gonna hold on to it until you get out.
You do that.
하먼의 진심을 알았는지 언니는 순순히 쉼터로 들어갑니다.
Hey, I had an idea about your brother. We move him
Where to?
somewhere East Barrio doesn't have reach.
You could do that?
Yeah, I could try cashing in a favor. Come on.
며칠 뒤 경찰서에는 죽은 델가도의 가족들이 찾아오는데
And one for your sister. And now you can fight the bad guys.
Like mommy?
Hey, sorry, Diaz, you got a visitor outside.
디아스의 어머니가 아들을 찾아왔습니다.
I went to visit Gabriel and he's been moved. They won't say where.
I can't, Mom.
I know. Alex doesn't have the power to move his brother. Was it you?
It was a Hail Mary to keep your son alive.
Thank you.
You raised him right.
그때 들려오는 출동 명령.
Come on.
한 상점에 무장 강도가 들었다는 신고였는데
Thought this place was untouchable.
Meaning?
Smokies.
길을 지나가다 총격전에 휘말린 아이가 큰 상처를 입었습니다.
Crazy fuckers in hockey masks knocking off a safe.
하먼은 목격자의 증언을 들어봅니다.
Are you okay? Are you injured?
It's Malcolm's blood. I tried to help him before the paramedics came, but
You recognize their voices?
they sounded familiar.
Familiar like how?
Like from the hood.
Was there anything else that stands out?
Yeah, the safe.
Why?
They knew exactly where it was.
This is feeling like an inside job. Do we have access to the cameras?
그런데 그때 또 다른 무장강도 신고가 들어오고 하먼과 디아스가 곧장 현장으로 달려갑니다.
Slow down! Slow down! Are they still here? No. Diaz, go check it out.
Copy.
Is there any other family in the house?
My dad is on his way.
Man, you gotta see this.
Go help. I'll wait for you, man. Go. Move.
디아스가 하먼에게 보여준 것은 이곳이 다름 아닌 스모키의 집이었던 거죠. 문득 스모키 가게 앞에 가드들을 떠올린 하먼은 스모키의 딸 레오나에게 습격자들의 신상을 물어보는데
If you know my dad, you know that I can't talk to you.
레오나가 입을 닫자 디아스를 통해 제시도 합니다.
Soy la oficial Diaz, pero me voy a llamar Alex.
Just because you can speak some bocho Spanish doesn't make us homies.
Ouch.
No, this isn't a rival gang. This is an insurrection.
In East Barrio?
I mean, you really think somebody outside of his own crew had knowledge of both safes?
Hold on, are you guessing here or you know something I don't?
The men who did this to you, are they connected to your father?
I went to see Smokey.
And?
And the bosses are pissed at him for not protecting Maniac.
You're gonna have to ask him.
Okay, we got her. She's safe. We got her.
You need to talk to us.
That's what started this shit.
Then help me end it. I know you know who did this.
Talking to my brother? Hey, she's coming full circle, huh?
That's enough.
You better yank his leash. The little boy that caught a bullet outside your dispensary just got word. He flatlined. He was 7.
Let's put whatever bullshit we have between us aside and let's get these assholes.
You protect your family.
Smokey, don't make this worse. Come on.
그렇게 스모키가 떠나자 라스모는 이스트바리오 조직원들을 전부 잡아들이자고 하는데
Sir, all due respect, this feels like a major overstep.
You think it feels like an overstep to the parents of that little boy?
Find out who did it, target them.
Calling in every division. All right, everybody listen up. No bullshit policy or red tape. We're going 0 tolerance on East Barrio. Lieutenant?
This isn't a retribution tour for Officer Delgado. This is about preventing more bloodshed. Use good judgment.
그렇게 갱단과의 전면전이 선포되지만 하먼은 이런 방식으론 해결책이 될 수 없다 생각하죠.
Go execute warrants.
I expect you to have my back.
East Barrio put a hit on my brother. I fucked him.
You sound like Glassman.
Yeah, you sound like you don't know what side you're on.
You have 3 seconds to take that back.
I just want to nail Smokey.
Yeah, like I don't? What did you get out of his daughter?
Nothing. Smokey showed up before I was able to get anything.
You think she talked to you?
You're gonna have to ask him.
Yeah.
If we can find out who attacked her, maybe we can contain this.
디아스는 곧바로 레오나를 다시 찾아갑니다.
What are you doing here?
Why I lying?
My dad always called me his lioness.
You seem too sweet.
You don't know me yet.
She always told us to never trust cops, so I get it. But your dad might not make it out of this. Leona, he's gonna kill whoever did this to you if they don't kill him
I
first.
know.
Then tell me their names.
What if they come back?
We'll be here for you before you put down the phone. Guy's name is Edgar Torres, aka looks like he was muscle for Smokey.
그렇게 레오나에게서 정보를 알아낸 두 사람은 그들의 집으로 찾아가는데
Police, show me your hands!
이미 한 명은 죽어 있었고
Harmon!
레오나가 지목한 에드거도 숨이 끊어지기 직전인 상황.
I need you to tell me. Was this Smokey?
에드거는 입을 열지 않습니다.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
그렇게 에드거가 숨을 거두고
Assuming those 2 are both part of the crew that hit Smokey, number 3's probably dead man walking already?
Yeah.
Should we put a bolo out for Smokey?
Or evidence.
Maybe we just sit back then, huh? Let them take each other out.
Remember this, it doesn't matter who they were yesterday. Today, they're our victims.
그날 밤 수많은 이스트바리오 갱단원들이 체포당하고 이유 없는 무차별 체포에 시민들의 반응은 쌓여갔죠.
What do you think you're doing? Why are you taking him? He didn't do anything! Do you realize what you've done? At the price of destroying what little trust we've built.
Yeah, well, which would you rather have? Trust or safety?
12 years into this community, all right? It's not either or.
I was born and raised not 5 blocks from where that kid was killed.
Then you should know better than anyone. This shit doesn't work.
So what do you think?
Right, but I know what we have done here today, it isn't it.
It's a start.
We have got to be better. That's what I've been trying to teach you. Do you understand that now?
Yeah, 100%.
그때 코요마가 찾아옵니다.
Got something that'll cheer you up.
Good luck with that.
The luck is we got a bird whistling in our ears, singing a song that's gonna hand us Smokey.
On the murders?
Dope. Enough to bury him. You in?
Fuck yeah.
그렇게 임시로 코요마의 마약 수사팀에 합류한 하먼과 디아스. 팀원들은 모두가 잠든 밤 몸을 숨겨 어디론가 향합니다.
Police, move and I drop you. Hands above your head. Diaz, watch her.
Watching you work Terminal 11 down at the port, picking up that dope and making the delivery rounds.
Smokey. And we hear that he's got 50 keys of fentanyl coming in from China tomorrow.
Just because the boys let you come along don't make you a tough bitch.
Well, maybe not. But I am the bitch standing in the way of them nailing you with 7 trafficking felonies. Do you know what just 1 carries?
Life, motherfucker.
What do you say?
그로부터 며칠 뒤
The commander signed off on you. Permanent spot on my team.
Herman,
Not a word until it's official.
it's charged, processed, and ready to be transported. What are you doing?
He's rolling with me today.
What are you talking about? We got a pretty big roundup on our hands after last night.
Because we know where he's going to be tonight.
He's got 50 keys of China Fire coming in tonight. We got Smokey's runner. He's in custody and cooperating.
We got good intel on the drop?
We don't know the exact meeting spot until we're on the move with the drugs.
Yeah, but either way, we flush Smokey out and we take him down.
Okay, do your thing. I'm here if you need me.
Our objective is simple. Follow the CI to Smokey, let a hand-to-hand exchange take place.
Even if we can't get Smokey dirty on the drugs, we're still hooking him up on the 2 murders, right?
Shit with your brother here close, huh?
Yeah, you can say that.
Then go work fucking radio calls.
He's good.
Because we only get 1 shot at this.
How long have you known that guy?
He's just trying to keep you sharp.
Yeah, they're all assholes.
You should know what's up. Coy asked me to join his team.
Are you?
If the stars align, absolutely.
Harmon, you still with us?
100%.
Wizards loaded up with the product and got the drop location from Smokey. We're on the move to downtown Johnny's. We're letting this play out, so stay low.
10-4.
그렇게 스모키의 물건을 배달하기 시작하는 협조자. 하먼과 디아스는 가까운 곳에서 대기하고
Anyone have eyes on Smokey? Negative.
그때 배달지로 차량 한 대가 진입해 옵니다.
I think I have him.
Coy, we ready to move or what?
Hold tight. Smokey's got someone else handling the pickup.
Who?
His daughter. But everyone stay alert.
레오나가 스모키 대신 물건을 챙기던 그때
Shit's jumping off. We have multiple armed defenders. Shots fired. Repeat, shots fired. And it's Smokey's own crew. Everyone move in.
하먼과 디아스도 총격전에 합류하고 디아스는 총격전 가운데 어디론가 도망치는 레오나의 모습을 발견하죠.
Get back here! Hold your gun!
Leona! Hey! Drop it!
Hey, Bocho, cop!
Officer down, officer down!
Diaz!
You gotta protect your family, and I gotta protect mine.
마지막 순간 등장한 코요마가 레오나를 제거하고
Where's he headed?
It's alright. It's just a nick.
Smokey.
Where?
Go. I got your wrist. Go.
그러는 사이 스모키를 쫓는 하먼.
Let me see your fucking hands!
스모키는 식당 안켠 디아스가 쏜 총에 맞고 앉아 있었죠.
Need EMS.
Copy 8-5, EMS already en route. Stand by for assistance.
Leona,
Sorry.
I'm not going back to prison.
You gotta put pressure on that.
Because that fucking kid killed some cop. Me and you were the only ones holding it down back in the day.
I still am. How you feeling?
Shit hurts like a motherfucker.
다행히 디아스의 상처는 깊지 않았고 가벼운 상처만 남았습니다.
Look who lost his cherry.
Thank you, sir, for having my back.
Anytime.
하지만 나쁜 소식을 전하는 코요마.
Your transfer was denied.
Why?
Someone in West put a brick on you.
A brick.
She pissed off one of the bosses, and they're holding her back.
하먼은 그 길로 라스몬을 찾아갑니다.
I hear Smokey's chained up in the county infirmary.
How long are you planning on holding this vendetta against me?
What vendetta?
Everyone knows that you blame me for not getting bumped up to lieutenant, all right? But that was your partner's fault? It wasn't mine.
Herman, that's ancient history.
Then why the fuck was I sidelined from the drug?
You need to chill on your tone and sit down. Your first day training, Diaz. You were captured on body cam, verbally threatening to physically assault a civilian on the domestic call. And then on top of that, you ordered the kid to dime you out, knowing full well that would brand him a snitch the rest of his career.
Take a look.
I don't need to. Report it.
If I was looking for some bullshit score to settle, there it was. Wrapped for me in a fucking bow. But nothing came of it. You want to know why? Because I buried the footage to protect you. And you're a rookie. So if someone sidelined you from the drug team, it sure the fuck wasn't me. Look, Harmon. Lord knows you and I don't see eye to eye on a whole lot of shit. So if we're gonna make any real difference, I don't know, you and I, we gotta learn how to stand shoulder to shoulder.
Yes, sir.
그리고 수습 기간을 끝낸 디아스의 정식 임용 심사가 열립니다.
I'm becoming the officer I strive to be. That's due to Officer Harmon's guidance. I've learned things that I didn't even know I needed to learn. So I owe you.
Harmon, do you have a recommendation?
You have a fearless drive. That's commendable. But trust is earned through smart decisions, not just brave ones. You keep on running into situations that are dangerous, ignoring orders. That's not a game of chance that you can keep playing. That's why it's my recommendation that we drop you back to day one and we restart probation.
Diaz? Any response?
No, ma'am.
If you fail again, you're out. Thank you, you're dismissed.
그렇게 디아스는 또 한 번의 수습 기간을 거치게 되었고 회의를 마치고 떠나는 비숍을 하머니 불러세우는데
You denied my transfer to the drug team?
I did.
Why?
Because you disobeyed direct orders going after Maniac. We have a multi-agency task force looking for these motherfuckers. That's their job. Your job is business as usual.
What do you want?
A kid named Maniac.
You went off book.
I am the one who found him.
And then told me how you did. And put your rookie's life in danger.
You said that was gonna stay between us.
It has. That's why you're not off the job. Any other lieutenant would have fired you.
So I'm stuck on patrol.
For now.
Then let me take Diaz.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Come on, let me finish what I started.
하머는 기분이 상해 있는 디아스를 찾아갑니다.
Now you fucked me because you didn't get your promotion. Is that it?
The way that you are reacting, it shows I made the right decision.
I got 60 days on. Hey, and you're holding me to some impossible standard.
I am keeping you alive,
I'm not Delgado.
but I'm gonna make damn fucking sure you don't suffer the same fate. That's why I told Bishop you're sticking with me.
For another rotation.
For however long it takes.
디아스는 근무 첫날 하머니 자신에게 줬던 카드를 꺼냅니다. 두 번째 기회를 뜻하는 카드가 하먼에게 건네지고
Charlie 85. Clear.
다시 순찰을 떠나는 두 사람을 비추며 온콜의 시즌 1이 끝납니다. 하루가 멀다 하고 강력 사건들이 쏟아집니다. 이건 뭐 미국 경찰들 워라벨이 아주 형편없어 보이네요. 하루 종일 일하고 다음날 또 일만 하는 경찰 이야기 온콜이었습니다. 이제 조금 식상해지나 싶은 바디캠 연출은 이번에도 역시나 사실감을 더하는데 큰 역할을 하며 맛을 살렸고 회당 30여 분 짧은 러닝타임 덕에 가볍고 부담없이 보기 참 좋았던 작품인데요. 캐릭터들의 매력도도 인상적이었고 각 인물들의 과거 스토리가 극중 범죄 사건과 연결되도록 짜여진 스마트한 구성도 자연스러웠던 것 같습니다. 그런데 대체 롱비치 경찰들은 다 어디서 뭘 하길래 수습 직원만 바쁘게 중대 사건들을 파헤치고 다니는 걸까요? 드라마 온콜은 아마존 프라임에서 시청 가능합니다. 감사합니다.